Your chair will arrive in a box like the one here. Open it up and make sure nothing is damaged. Take everything out of the box and make sure you have received every part. Each chair should come with a base, a gas cylinder, and a seat. Once you're ready, take the gas cylinder and place it into the base of the chair. Take the cylinder and place it into the hole of the seat. If you have a side-activated gas cylinder like the one here, make sure to insert it so the tip is to the right of the chair, pointing in the direction of your gas lift. Once done, your chair is ready for use.